it's me, Uncle Chan, and today I'm making a video about my life. So, I was born in 1998 in Hong Kong, in China. So, I was born in China, and then I had like a very big family. Then I found out they have a really big family. They have like cousins, granddads, uncles, aunties, grandmas, like basically fucking everywhere, like in all of Asia, all of Africa, everywhere, like South America, North America, everywhere. And then I was like, damn, that's fucking cool. So then my parents died, and then I was adopted by Uncle Bing Bong. And he's my uncle. He's one of the biggest gangsters in Chinatown. So he adopted me. Well, he took me over, and then he taught me how to be a gangster. So I grew up in the streets of Hong Kong, and I was a fucking gangster. I didn't give a shit about shit, and I was a real fucking gangster. So then time went on, I got fucking bigger, I got more gangster. There were fucking bigger street fights, there were fucking hooligans, there were fucking riots against the police, and everything came up to the Chinatown War. So in the Chinatown War, there was basically like shit was going down. Like every single Chinatown on the planet was like getting fucked by ISIS and Muslims and Islam and everything. So everyone had to unite into one giant fucking army and fucking fight them motherfuckers, like. So the war went on for like 20 years, but we still won the war, and Islam didn't take over. Muslims got fucked in the ass, and they got fucking shot and killed. That was fucking fun. But loads of my good friends died in the war. That was the shit thing. So then, what else? So then, like, I traveled the world. Then I went to like Pakistan, Iraq, Iran, Israel, Egypt, Nigeria, everywhere basically. So then I found out that Uncle Wong owns like oil fields in Dubai and Saudi Arabia. So like, oh fuck yeah. So I go over to Dubai. He comes in his limo and collects me from the airport. I'm like, holy fuck. It's like a fucking big limo, it's like black and white, it's like a zebra. And then there's like a fucking TV in there, and there's like fucking everything in there. It's so fucking comfortable, the seats and everything. There's like 10 cheetahs in the fucking limo. And we go to the fucking hotel. And it's the fucking 7-star hotel, and it's like so fucking good. I'm like, shit, that's so fucking damn good, base. So then, what happens then? So then, I go over to Italy, and then I fucking meet Luigi and Mario from the game, but they are the real Mario and Luigi. So then the Italian mafia attacks me, and then I phone call in for airstrikes from Chinatown, and like the airstrikes come and they go like boom 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 and fucking bomb everything, and then my all the uncles like Uncle Bing Bong, Uncle Wong, Uncle Chan me, and then like loads of other uncles, they came and they went like boom boom and fucking destroyed the Italian mafia. So then I so like now I'm in so I moved then after that I moved over to um I moved over to America, and now I'm in America, and I'm just in America, living like a good fucking thug. Like thug life on the streets. I'm helping, I'm donating charity, everything's good. Plus my life's good. Got that in my video. Next video tomorrow. See ya.